This morning I came to Dobongsan and I'm going to walk to Obong. Dobongsan is part of Bukhansan National Park, which has two mountain ranges. The southern range is called Bukhansan and the northern range is Dobongsan. I have walked this trail last year during the winter and I've seen that there was a waterfall that was completely frozen. So today I want to check it out because 2 days ago there was a lot of rain. So I think it should be very nice today. So my plan is to start to walk from the western side of Dobongsan. I will walk along the Songchu Valley and then make a stop at the waterfall, and then I will continue up to the summit, Obong. To finish, I will go down from the Songchu southern ridge and it will make a beautiful loop. The total walking distance will be 9.7 k with a 650 meters of ascent. It will take 5 hours to walk this course, including some rest. Walking along the river, I soon arrived at the first waterfall called Songdam. This is the first waterfall on the trail. It's really beautiful and the water is so clean. I keep walking along the river. This is a very peaceful trail. There's a temple here called Song Amsa. I'm going to pay a visit. Here is the official gate. We also keep track of the hikers who are visiting the Songchu Valley. Here is the famous Songchu waterfall, which was completely frozen last time when I came here. Let's have a break here and eat something. This is the best moment of the hike. When I hike, I never rush to reach the summit. Instead, I like to take my time and to enjoy beautiful moments like this. In Chinese, shan means mountains and shui means water. So when you put the shan and the shui together, san shui, it means landscape. So it's not a surprise that in a Chinese classic painting, you see a lot of mountains and the water all together. So the water is inseparable to the mountains. Okay, that was a good break. Let's continue now. I can see some red leaves, but probably I have to wait 2 more weeks before everything turns red. I've noticed that very often the waterfalls in the same mountains have similar names. So for example, today, the first one that I have seen is called Songdam Waterfall. And then the second one, the biggest one, was called Songchu Waterfall. So they have name as if they are brother and sisters. Like in Korean, they call it Torimja. So in fact, I think if you think about it, it actually makes sense because they are born from the same mother, the mother being the mountains. The mountains and waterfall, they are part of the same family. There are some beautiful mushrooms here, probably not edible. Okay, I arrived at the mountain ridge now. So from now on, there's probably not much climbing to reach Obong. 0.7 kilometers to go.